శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. So in this series of Adhyatma Ramayanam, in the last, when we have finished, we ended the Aranyakanda, Sabari Samagamam, and Sabari directing Rama to meet Sugriva. So Kishkindha Kanda, aiming to see 3 sargas today in this reading. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Sri Mahadeva Uvacha. Tatah Salakshmano Ramaha Senaihi Pampasarattatam Agatya Sarasam Sreshtham Drushtva Vismaya Mayayo. So then Rama arrived at that Pampa Sarovara and looked at the Sarovara with wonderment. The description of the Sarovara: Hamsakarandava Kirtanam Chakravakadishobhitam Jalakukputako Yakshti Kraunchanadopanaditam. Different birds. Nana Pushpalata Kirnam Nana Phala Samavrutam Satam Manah Swachha Jalam Padma Kinjilka Vasitam. Satam Janaha Swachha Jalam. So Satam Manah Swachha Jalam, it is like a good person's mind. Water is as pure as a good person's mind. That's what Vyasa uses here. Tata upasprusa salilam pitva sramaharam vibhuhu sanujaha sarasastire sitalena patha yayau. So along with Anuja, his brother, having touched the water, drank a bit of it, sramaharam, which removes all the srama. Vibhuhu Rushyamukha Gire Parsve Gacchantau Ramalakshmanau Dhanurbanakarau Dantau Jatavalkalamanditau Pasyantau Vividhan Vrukshan Girehe Shobham Survikramau. So, to cut on the slokas, story narration of the story, quickly go through it. So seeing these two people, Sugriva feels that they have been sent by Vali to kill him. So he is afraid, he gets into a lot of fright. Oh, there are very powerful people who have come. Probably they have been sent by my brother, enemy, Vali. So he starts worrying. Then comes the Vatu. Vatu is the Hanuman. Tadhyati Vaturupena Hanuman Samupagamataha. So then Hanuman, one of his ministers, he says, don't worry, I will go and figure out what it is. So he takes up a form of a Vatu, not his Vanara Rupa. His Vanara Jati, and some of these Vanaras have special powers to take any form. So Hanuman uses that power, becomes like a boy, and with that Vaturupena Hanuman Samupagamata Vinayavanato Bhutva Ramam Natved. So he bowed down to Rama and said like this: Kau yuvam purushavyagrau yuvanau verasammatau Gyotayantau disasarva prabhaya bhaskara viva. Your effulgence is filling all the directions like sun's light. Yuvam Trailokya Kartara कर्ताराविति भाति मनो मम युवाम pradhana purushau jagadhetuhu jaganmayau. So I see you as the cause of this world and ever filled this world. Jaganmayau mayaya manushakaro charatam charanta viva leelaya bhubhara haranardhaya bhaktanam palanaya cha. It appears as if you came here to remove the difficulties from this earth. Bhubhara haranardhaya. Bhara, heaviness. Heaviness comes because people inconsiderate the Rakshasas who are only looking at selfish needs, and Bhaktanam Palanayacha, to take care of those devotees who are the soft nature, looking forward for this divine help. For that reason, I assume that you have come here. Avatirna vihaparau charantau kshatriyakriti jagasthiti layau sargam leelaya kartumudyatau swatantrau preranau sarvahridayastha viheshwarau naranarayanau loke charantaviti memati. I see you as Naranarayana, Rishis, the combination, both of them, Rama and Lakshmana he is talking to. Prerakau sarva hridayastha ihishwarau Naranarayana uloke. Sri Ramo, so having said this, so done a stotra, like I see that you are being very powerful, you seem to be having a lot of power, you are going here to take care of the world, all those things. Having said that, Rama is telling Sri Ramo Lakshmanam praha pasyainam vudrupinam shabdasastram aseshena srutam nonamanekatha anena bhashitam krutsam nakanchid apasibditam tatapraha hanumantam raghavo gnanavigraha. Then having commented about the speech or the talk given by Hanuman, saying that this person seems to be well versed in the Vyakarana, not even a single apasabdam, wrong sound has been used in his speech. So by making that comment to Lakshmana, Rama is aham dasaradhi ramastvayam me lakshmano najaha sitaya bharyaya sardham pitar vachana gauravat आगतस्तत्र विपिने स्थितोऽहं दण्डके द्विजः तत्र भार्या हृता सीता रक्षसा केन चिन्मम तामन्वेष्टुमिहायातौ त्वं को वा कस्य वा वद. So I am Dasarathi, Rama, my brother and wife, we are Piturvachana Gauravat, on the respect towards the respect of my father's word, I came to this forest. And my Bharya Hruta Sita is my wife. Hruta, she has taken away, stolen. Rakshasa kena chinmama, so somewhere a Rakshasa has stolen. Tamanveshtum mihayatau, searching for her, we came here. Tvamkova kasyavavada, who are you and tell me about you. Whom do you belong? Tell me. वटुरुवाच सुग्रीवो नाम राजायो वानराणां महामतिः चतुर्भिर्मन्त्रिभिः सार्धं गिरिर्मूर्धनि तिष्ठति भ्राता कनीयान् सुग्रीवो वालिनः पापचेतसः तेन निष्कासितो भार्या हृता तस्येह वालिना. So Hanuman, as a Sachiva, Mantri, he is directly negotiating a contract, negotiating a relationship with Rama. He is telling Sugriva is my Raja, he is a Vanara, Mahamati, great knowledgeable person. Chaturbhir mantribhir stardham girir murdhani tishtati. So along with 4 mantris, he is on this Rushyamukha Parvata. His wife has been Hruta, taken away by his brother, by Vali. Tad bhayadya Rushyamukam Girimasrita Samsita. Due to his fear, he stays in this Rushyamukha Parvata. Hanuman Nama Vikyato, Hanjani Garbhasambhavaha, Tena Sakhyam Tvaya Yuktam Sugrivena Raghuttama. So people call me Hanuman. I am born Anjani Garbha, born of Anjani, Anjani Garbha, Sambhavaha. Tena Sakhyam Tvaya Yuktam. So making friendship with this Sugriva is best for you. Sugrivena Raghuttama, O Raghuttama, Rama, that is what is best. Bharyapaharinam hantum sahayaste bhavishyati idanimeva gacchama agacchayadirochate. So if you wanted to help Sugriva to retrieve his Bharya, he will help you in turn to retrieve your Bharya. So, you can both join in a friendship. So if you are okay with that, I will take you there directly. Sri Rama Uvacha. So Rama is saying, Ahamapyagatastena Sakhyam Kartum Kapishwaraha Sakhyustasyapi Yat Karyam Tatkarishyamya Samsayam. So I came here to come and seek friendship with that Sugriva only. So if I can be of any help to him, definitely I will do that help. Hanuman swaswarupena sthito Ramamadha bhravit. Then Hanuman take his own form of Kapishwara, the huge form, and he said, Arohatam mamaskandhau gachama parvatopari. Come and sit on my shoulder. I will take you to the Parvata, onto the top of this mountain. So climbing up onto the mountain is a big job. Yatra tishtati Sugrivo mantribhir valino bhayat tadhedi tasyaropaha skandham ramodha lakshmanaha utpapata girirmurdhi kshanadeva mahakapihi vrukshachayam samasritya sthitautau rama lakshmanau. So in a second, just like this, taking Rama and Lakshmana on the shoulders, he went there. Hanuman api Sugrivam upagamya krutanjalihi. So vyotute bhayamayatau rajan Sri Rama Lakshmanau. So I have already, so he goes to Sugriva and say, Rama and Lakshmana have come here. You can make friendship with him. Sri Raghumustishta Ravana Sakhyam te yojitam maya ajñam sakshinam samaropya tena sakhyam drutam kuru. So Hanuman brings these two together. They exchange their stories. Then the whole of the discussion goes on. Vali what he has done, and how Vali, a Mayavi coming to fight with Vali entering the cave, not coming out for a month, after a month also. Then some blood started coming out, thinking that Vali has been killed. Sugriva puts a stone in front of the cave, not to let that Mayavi come back again, and comes back, explains this is what has happened. The Raja within the Kishkindha, the mantris will say that you have to take the king role, and they will put him onto the role of king. And after some time, after some days, a little bit of days, Vali comes back, directly picks up a fight with Sugriva without asking the situation in which he has behaved in that way. Then throwing him away, taking his wife, he starts enjoying the Rajya. He picks up that fight and not allowing his place. So he says, Hrotadaro Hrotasrayaha. So he says, Tadati, 57th sloka of this sarga. Tadadi mama bharyam sa swayam bhunte vimudadhi ato dukkhena sandakto hrotadaro hrotasrayaha. So hrotadaraha hrotasrayaha, not having wife, not having a place to stay. I am struggling with this. Then he says Dundubhi's story. Dundubhi, his head has been went into Matanga Maharshi, who is the guru of Sabari. Matanga Maharshi gave a sapa to Vali. When he gets onto that hill, his head will fall. So Vali will not come onto the Rishyamukha Parvata. So taking that, Sugriva is staying on that Parvata to be safe from Vali. And the story has been explained. So at all this, Rama says, yes, I will kill. Rama says, I will kill Vali. You go and call him. But again, Sugriva is not confident that Rama can kill Vali. So he asks for different tests. He asks, okay, this Dundubhi's head is there. If you can throw it for some distance, I would believe your power. Then Rama, with his toe, throws that to 10 yojanas. Then still again the Tala Vrakshas, there are 7 huge trees. Those trees, if you can beat any one of them with one, Vali used to shake these trees just like that. So he is so powerful. If you can hit any one of these trees, I will believe that you will be able to kill Vali with your bana. Then Rama takes a bana and all the 7 he will hit the 7 Talavrakshas, and the bana will come back to his case of arrows as if it has not done anything. So having seen all this, then gets the after this event happens, after Talavraksha Bhanjanam is happened, Tvam Bhajanti, 77th sloka onwards, it is a Sugriva's realization of Rama. So Rama coming there, making friendship, all this discussion happening. Finally, Tvam bhajanti mahatmanaha samsara vinivruttaye tvam prapya moksha sachivam prarthayeham kadham bhavam. So people pray to you to samsara moksha, to getting release from samsara. Dara putraha dhanam rajyam sarvam tvan mayaya krutam atoham devadevasya na kankshen nyat prasidame. So having realized your reality, having realized you, now Dara, I don't want wife, I don't want dhanam, putra, rajyam, sarvam tvan mayaya krutam, everything is made up of the maya. Na kankshe nyat prasidame. So I am not interested in any one of these things. Anandanubhavam twadya praptoham bhagya gauravat murudardham yatamanena nidhanam neva satpate. So it is like for the sake of the, now what has happened, Anandanubhavam, I have got this Ananda Anubhavam, prapto aham bhagya gauravat, I got such a bliss from you. It is like mrudartham yatamaneva, for the sake of mud somebody is digging and he gets a treasure. So he is not digging for the treasure, he is digging only for the mud, sake of the mud, but he gets the treasure. Like that, I am only digging for my wife, retrieving my wife, Rajyam, some power, some this thing. Instead, I have got this great bliss of seeing you, meeting you, realizing you. Anadya vidya samsiddham bandhanam chinnamadhyanaha yajna dana tapakarma purteshtadibhirapya sau. So what is not possible by yajnas, danas, tapakarma, anadya vidya samsiddham bandhanam chinnam adya naha. My bondage, which is anadi, beginningless, avidya, ignorance of the true nature, bandhanam, that kind of a bondage has been chinnam, has been broken away. Na jiryate punarthartyam bhajate సంశ్రుతి ప్రభో త్వత్పాదదర్శనాత్ సద్యో నాశమేతి న సంశయః. సో న జీర్యతే పునర్ధార్ఢ్యం భజతే. సో ధార్ఢ్యం, సో మచ్ దృఢం మీన్స్ వెరీ పవర్ఫుల్, వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ బాండ్. దట్ సంశ్రుతి, సంశ్రుతి ఈజ్ దట్ అటాచ్మెంట్, unbreakable attachment. Prabho, O Lord, Tvat Pada Darshanat Sadyo Nasamete na Samsayah. By Pada Darshana, your feet, seeing your lotus feet, Pada Darshanat Sadyaha, immediately, Sadyo Nasamete na Samsayah, it will go away, no doubt in that. With the experience, Sugriva is saying this. క్షణార్థమపి యచ్చత్వం త్వయి తిష్టత్యచంచలం. క్షణార్థం, హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద క్షణ, హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద సెకండ్. యచ్చిత్తం, హూస్ మైండ్, త్వయి తిష్టత్తి అచంచలం, ఇన్ యూ ఎస్టాబ్లిషెస్ వితౌట్ ఎనీ వేవరింగ్. క్షణార్థమపి యచ్చిత్తం త్వయి తిష్టత్యచంచలం తస్యాజ్ఞానమనర్థానాం మూలం నశ్యతి తత్క్షణాత్. తస్య అజ్ఞానం అనర్థానాం మూలం. ఫర్ ఆల్ అనర్థాస్ ద సీడ్ ఈజ్ ద అజ్ఞానం, ignorance. That ignorance nasyati tatkshanat, in that second itself it will go away. తత్తిష్ఠతు మనోరామ త్వయి నాన్యత్ర మే సదా. రామ రామేతి యద్వాణి మధురం గాయతి క్షణం. స బ్రహ్మ సురాపో వా ముచ్యతే సర్వపాతకైః. One who, with that kind of establishment of the mind in you, Rama, Rama, one time he speaks, Vani Madhuram Gayati Kshanam. For a second, if it sings Rama, Rama, sa Brahma Surapova Muchate Sarva Patapakaihi, all Patakas will be gone. Nakangshe Vijayam Rama, Nacha Dara Sukhadikam, Bhakti Meva Sadakangshe, Tvai Bandha Vimochanim. So he says, Nakangshe Vijayam, I don't want any victory now. Nacha dara sukhadikam, I don't want any wife, the sukha given by the wife. Bhakti meva sadakangshe, I am only desiring of bhakti, devotion, tvayi, in you. Bandha vimochanim, that is which releases from the bondage. Tvanmaya kruta samsaras tvadamsoham raghuttama. స్వపాద భక్తిమాదిశ్య త్రాహిమాం భవసంకటాత్. సో యూ నౌ సేవ్ మీ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ భవ సంకట. ఐ am not seeking anything. పూర్వం మిత్రార్యుదాసీనాస్త్వన్మాయావృతచేతసః అసన్నేత్య భవత్పాద దర్శనాదేవ రాఘవః. ఎర్లియర్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు I used to see Mitra and Udasina, friends and those who are indifferent to me, enemies, all these different kinds of people I used to see. Mayavruta Chetasa, because I am covered by the Maya, I used to see all these distinctions. Asanmedya Bhavat Pada Darsanadeva Raghava. Asanme, all that are not true, not unreal. Tat Pada Darsanadeva. By your Pada Darsana, I realized that all those distinctions are not true. Tvam Brahmaiva me bhati, kvam mitram kvacha me ripuhu, yavatvan maya baddhas tavat gunavisheshata, sarvam Brahmaiva me bhati. So now I see everything as Brahmayeva, in me bhati, kwa mitram kvacha me ripuhu, who is my friend, who is my enemy. యావత్వన్ మాయయా బద్ధ తావత్ గుణవిశేషత. ఆల్ దోస్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ వెన్ డెల్యూడెడ్ ఇన్ యువర్ మాయా, దే ఆర్ ద డిస్టింక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ క్వాలిటీస్, గుణవిశేషత. సా యావదస్తి నానాత్వం తావద్భవతి నాన్యథ, యావన్నానాత్వం అజ్ఞానాత్ తావత్ కాలకృతం భయం. సో యాజ్ లాంగ్ యాజ్ యావదస్తి నానాత్వం, దిస్ డిస్టింక్షన్, మల్టిట్యూడ్, నానాత్వం, నాట్ ఏకత్వం. నానాత్వం ఈజ్ ఆపోజిట్ ఆఫ్ ఏకత్వం. తావద్భవతి నాన్యథ, దట్ లాంగ్ యావన్ నానాత్వం అజ్ఞానాత్ na tavat kalakritam bhayam. So only until that point in time there is fear. Nanatvam leads to fear. There is another who can harm me, who can take away something of me, then fear is there. If there is no other, nothing can be taken away, nothing goes away, nothing is there other than one, there is no fear. ततो विद्यामुपास्ते यः सोन्धे तमसि मज्जति मायामूलमिदं सर्वं पुत्रदारादिबन्धनं तदुत्सारय मायां त्वं दासीं तव रघुत्तमा. So Raghuttama, great Uttama, best of Raghuvamsa, Mayam Tvam Dasim, which is Maya is your servant, Tadutsaraya Mam. So from you lift me up from there, which will remove from Sarvam Putra Daradi Bandhanam, Maya Moolamidam Sarvam Putra Daradi Bandhanam, all this attachment to the wives and kids, children, everything, which takes away avidyam, by the vidya, sondhe tamasi majjati. So when during avidya, when I am immersed in the andha, in the darkness of avidya, all these bandhanas are there. You now lift me up. Tvat pada padmarchita chittavrutti tvannama sangeeta kadhanuvani tadbhakta seva niratau karau me twadanga sangam labhatam madangam. So let twadanga sangam, let at the touch of your angas, twadbhakta seva nirata karau me, my hands always seva, doing seva to you. Tvannama sangeeta kadhasu vani, my speech always doing your nama sangeeta katha. Tvatpada Padarchita Chitta Vritti, my mind always established in Pada Padma Archita, in the worship of your Pada Padmas. Tvanmurtir Bhaktan Swagurunja Chakshuhu Pasyatyajasram Sasrunotu Karnaha Tvajanma Karmani Chapada Yugmam Vrajas Tvajastram Tava Mandirani. So always my padas will take you to your mandira, with the place of where you are. So all those anganite padarajo vimisraha tirthani bibhrat tvahi shatruketo sirastvadiyam bhavapadma jatyai rushtham padam rama namatvajasram. So my head always be at your feet. That is what I am looking at. So Kishkindhakanda, first sarga, with Sugriva realizing and telling the nature of Rama. So then the next sarga is Kapisha Samharam, no, so Vali's Vadha. So here I wanted to just touch upon what Vali said and what Rama said to the end. Other part of the Mahadeva Vacha, iti Itham Syatma Parishwanga Nirdhota Sesha Kalmasham Rama Sugriva Malokya Sasmitam Vakyam Abravit. Parishwangam, good embracing each other. Then with that thing smiling, he said, okay, Mayam Mohakarim Tasvin Vitanvan Karyasiddhaye Sakhet Vaduttam Yattanman Satyamevana Samsayaha. So okay, Maya is there, you are out of that Maya, but the proceedings need to happen, isn't it? So what he is saying, Sakha, oh friend, let us proceed with our action. I will kill Vali now. I have done a Agni Sakshika Pramana for you to help, and I said I will. So if I don't do that, iti lokapavado me bhavishyati nasamsaya. So what he did to Sugriva, Rama made a friendship with Sugriva, and what did he help Sugriva? Like that Loka will ask me, or Loka will tell me. So all those things we don't want to change the whole story. We will let the story run. This is what Rama says, and a later story is well known to most of the people. It goes, Sugriva calls Vali to the war, brings him into the forest, because Rama will not enter a pura or a city, because he is doing a 14 years vanavasa. So he calls Vali, and they both fight. They look exactly like each other. So Rama will not be able, is not able to recognize now who is Vali, who is Sugriva. He didn't leave the Bana. Then, being defeated by Vali, Sugriva comes back with a lot of injuries, and he says, why didn't you kill? Then the discussion goes on, saying that I couldn't recognize you. Then he puts a vanamala, a garland made of flowers. Then he goes, go and ask, and then he goes and calls Vali for again fight. At that time, Tara stops Vali and says, I heard that Rama has come. Again, Vali says, okay, if Rama himself has come, he is great dharmika. He will not, I will go and fall at his feet and bring him here and do whatever he wanted. So I will not die. But if it is Sugriva, I don't have any fear. I will kill that fellow and come this time. I will not leave him. With that thing, he will go to the fight again. And at that time, Rama leaves the Rama Bana, and it goes and hits Vali. That stage, now after there actually so tada muhurtam nisangyo bhutva chetas samapasaha tato Vali datatsagyer Ramam Rajivalocanam. After being unconscious for about a muhurta, then Vali regains his consciousness, and he sees Rama, who is Rajivalocanam, Dhanuralambya Vamena Hastena Anyena Sayakam. In one hand Dhanas and another hand Bana. Bhibranam Cheravasasam Jatamakutadharinam Vishalavakshasam Bhrajad Vanamala Vibhushitam. So with Vanamala Vibhushana, he has seen Rama. Tena Charvata Bhutam Navadurvadalachavijam Sugriva Lakshanabhyam cha Parsveyo Parisevitam. So on both sides, Sugriva and Lakshmana, in the center Rama. With this kind of darsana, Vali had of Rama. Vilokya Sanakaihi Praha Vali Ramam Vigarhayan Kim Mayapakrutam Rama Tavayena Hatosmyaham. What is the apakara I have done? What is the apakara? What is the defect? Apakara, what harm I have caused to you? Tavayena hatosmyaham. Rajadharmam avijnaya garhitam karmate krutam. So not knowing the Rajadharma, you garhitam karma. People will blame you for this kind of a thing what you have done. Vrukshasande tiro bhutva tyajata mai sayakam. Standing behind a vriksha, you hit me with your arrow. Yasakyam yalapsa Rama choravat kruta sangaraha. What yashaha, what kirti you will get by doing this thing. Sugrivana krutam kinte mayavana krutam kimo. So what can Sugriva do to you what I cannot do to you? Ravanena hruta bharya tavarama mahavane Sugrivam saranam yatastamitham sustruma. So I heard about you came and made friendship with Sugriva to search for your wife who has been taken away by Ravana. Bhataramana janishe madbalam soka vitsruptam. You don't know my power, which is known to whole of the world. Ravanam sakulam badhva sasitam lankaya saha anayami muhurtarthat yadi chechami raghava. Half of the muhurta I will be able to bring your wife Ravana, all Lanka if needed. Dharmishta iti lokesmin gadhyate Raghunandana. People will say that, people are saying that you are a Dharmishta, you are known of Dharma. Vanaram Yadhavadhyatva ధర్మం కం లప్ససే ప్రదః అభక్ష్యం వానరం మాంసం హత్వా మాం కిం కరిష్యతి. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సే ఐ హ్యావ్ జస్ట్ I am hunting you like you are a vanara, so I am hunting you, but my mamsa, my flesh is not eatable. It is not something which you can eat. So what is the use you have by killing me? Ityevam bahubhashantam valinam raghavo bravit dharmasya gopta lokayasmins chirami sasarasana. So having said this, bahubhashantam valinam raghavo bravit, Raghava said like this: adharma karinam hatva saddharmam palayamyaham duhita bhagini bhraturбharya chaiva tatha snusha samayo ramate tasam ekamapi vimudhadhi pataki satu vigneyah savadhyo rajabhis sada. So he is giving the dharma here. Duhita bhagini bhraturбharya snusha. So daughter, sister, wife of brother, and daughter-in-law, all four are equal. Any one of them have been ramate, have been taken for the pleasures. Tasam ekamapi vimudhadhi, by the vimudhadhi, pataki satu vigneyaha, will become a patakaha. Savadhyo rajabhissadha. So a king can administer vadha, means death sentence, for anyone who has done such pataka. Tvantu bhratu kanishtasya bharyayam ramase balat ato maya dharmavida hatosi vanagochara. So you are Bhratru Kanishtasya, Kanishta Bhratu, younger brother's wife, has been taken by force by you. Tato maya dharma veda, I am knowing the dharma, hatosi vanagochara. I have killed you. One answer. Tvam kapitvan na janishe mahanto vicharanti yat lokam punanaha sancharai. So he says, you are a vanara, you don't know the dharma, you are not able to see your mistake or the defect. So I have administered my dharma through dharma only. There is no defect from my side. So that is the, Rama did not say that. So Rama says, I have administered dharma towards you. Vali, having tatruchva bhayasamtrasto gnatva ramam ramapatim vali pranamya ravasa dramam vachanam abravit. Rama Rama Mahabhaga jane tvam parameshwaram ajanata maya kinchiduktam tat shantumarhasi sakshat tvat charaghatena visheshena tavagrataha tvajam yasun mahayogi durlabham tavadarsanam. So even mahayogis cannot have this darsanam towards the end of the life when they are leaving. And you, by your bana I have been killed. So yannama vyavaso grunham nirnemana panam padam yati sakshat sayevadja mamarshor me punah purastitaha. So I will go to your abode only. Deva janami purusham tvam sriyam janakim shubham ravanasya vadarthaya jatam tvam brahmanarthitam. So now I realized that you are the Sakshat Vishnu only. Janaki is Rama, Lakshmi Devi. Brahma has requested you, so you have come here. Anujanihi mam Rama yantam tatpadamanuttamam mama tulya bale bale angade tvam dayankuru. I am requesting you only thing, you one who is like mama tulya bale bale, who is a boy, Angada. On Angada you do the daya. Visalyam kurume Rama hridayam panina sprusan tadhehi banamudhrutya Rama tasparsya panina tyaktva tadvanarandeham amarayendro bhavat kshanat vali raghutamasyarabhihato vimrushto ramena sitalakarena subhakarena sadyo vimuchya kapideha mananyalabhyam praptapadam paramahamsa ganayir durapam. So Paramahamsa Ganas also cannot go easily. Such Paramapadam, Vali went having killed by Rama only and having removed that arrow from him on his with Rama's hands alone, told this. So he has been purified for his patakas by Rama's administration of dharma, and he has reached the Amarendro Bhavat Kshanat. So he is like Amarendra. So Tara Vilapam, the next Tritiya Sarga is about Tara is becoming very, is sorrowed, weeping for her husband. So Tara is a very knowledgeable and she's also a philosopher. She knows a lot of philosophy. So Rama teaches her philosophy at that scene. So that is the third sarga. Sri Mahadeva Vacha. Nihate Valinirane Ramena Paramatmana Dadrupurvanaraha Sarvehe Kishkindham Bhayavilhalaha. So people, Vali's Anuyayas, those followers of Vali, ran back to Kishkinda, told Tara that Rama killed Vali and you close all the doors and give the Pattabhisheka to Angada, protect the city, all those things. Then Tara says, Kim Angadena Rajyana Nagarena Dhanenava Idanimeva Nidhanam Yasyami Patina Saha. So why Angada, why Rajya, I don't care all of them, I will go with my Pati. Gachami Patisalokyam Patir Manu Bhikanksate Swarge Epi Nadukhan. Na sukhantasya mam vina Raghunandana. So she asks Raghunandana, Rama, oh Rama, whatever arrow you used to kill my husband, you use the same arrow and kill me. I also will go and reach him only. Without me, he will not have any happiness, even he is in the Swarga. So, Patnija Viyogam Dukkham Anubhotam Tvayanaghaha. So, you are also facing the distance from your wife. You know that how sorrowful, how bad it is to face that dukkham, that sadness of not having wife. Valinem mam prayachasu patni dana phalam bhavet. So if you send me there, you will get the dana phalam, patni dana phalam. You have given the wife to him. Sugrivatvam sukham rajyam dapitam valinati. So he says, Sugriva, you enjoy this rajyam. Ityevam vilapantim tam taram Ramo Mahamana. So Rama, like this one who is weeping, Rama is asking Tattvajnanopadesa, Dayaya Tattvajnanopadesaha, Swantayamasa Dayaya. He has consoled her with the compassion. Swantayamasa Dayaya Tattvajnanopadesataha, Tattvajnana Upadesataha. So Tattvajnana he is telling, Kim bhiru sochasi vyardham sokasya vishayam patim patistavayam dehova jivova vadatattvataha. So who is your husband? Is this body or the life or the jiva or the one who is in that body? Pancha tanmatmako jodo dehastvam swam mamsa rudhryastiman kalakarma gunotpannaha so prapyed yasite puraha. So this body is of 5 elements, it will go away. Manyase jivamatmanam jivastarhi niramayaha najayate mriyate natishtate nagachati. So if you think it is the jiva is always eternal, it is there, it is not born, not dying, it is not there. Nastri pumanva shando vajiva sarvagatopayaha eka eva dvitiyo ya Akasavadalepakaha nityo jnanamaya suddha sakadham sokamarhati. So what are you weeping for? Are you weeping for the body or the jiva? So body is ever destroyable, jiva is never destroyable. So it is the jiva is not a stri, not puman, not woman, not a man, not shando, not in between, not a neuter gender. Jiva sarvagato vyayaha is always there, avyayaha eka eva dvitiyova. Akasavadalepaka, like space, he is not touched by anything. Nityo jnanamaya suddha sakadham sokamarhati. So why are you weeping? Tara uvacha. So now Tara is saying, Deho chitkashtavadrama jivo nityaschidatmakaha sukhadukkadika sambandha kasyasyadrama mevada. Now Tara is asking one quick question. Okay, Deha is always chitkashtavadrama. It is kashta. So it is like a wood piece. Jivo nityaschidatmakaha. Jiva is always conscious. Sukhadukkadi sambandha kasyasyadrama. How is this pain and pleasure are coming over Rama? You tell me that. Sri Rama Uvacha. अहंकारादि संबंधो यावत् देहेन्द्रियैः सह संसारास्तवदेव स्यादात्मनस्त्यविवेकिनः. One who is an aviveki, viveka, non-discriminating person, ahankaradi sambandho, because of the attachment to the ahankara, yavat dehendriyai saha, the body and indriyas are attached. Samsara stavadeva. So this samsara comes into the picture, continuous births and deaths. Midhyaropita samsaro nasvayam vinivartate vishayadhyanyamanasya swapne midhyagamo yatha. As entering in a dream, attaching to the dream objects, one gets attached to this dream object. Midhyaropita samsaro nastvayam vinivartate. He will not come back from there. He starts attaching to the midhyagamo yatha. Anadya vidya sambandha tvatkaryahankrutestadha samsaro parthako pisya dragadveshadi samkulaha. So he gets into attraction and repulsion. Samkulaha, multiple attractions and multiple repulsions. He goes into the loop. Mana eva hi samsaro bandhaschaiva manassubhehe. So this samsara is mind only. Bandha, attachment is also mana, mind only. Atma manas samanattvametya tadgata bandha bhak. So thinking that mind is Atma is the cause of all these defects. Yadha visuddha spatiko laktas kadi samipakaha tattad varna yuga bhati vastuto nasti ranjanam. Like a pure crystal don't have any color, but based on the laktaka, some kind of a colored object behind it, it appears to be having color. In the same way, the jiva always pure because of manas ranjakatva. So all the colors of the mind appear through this and appear as jiva. Atma swalingatu manah parigruhya tadudbhavan kamanjushan gunairbadhah samsare vartate vasaha adau manogunan sruštva tatha karmanyanekadha suklalohita krishnane gatas samanataha evam karmavasad jivo brahmatya bhuta samplavam. So from there all the actions will be derived. So the three colors, the sattva rajas tamo. So Rama uses sukla lohita krishnani, so white, lohita red and dark. Gatas tata yamanataha. So from there all the three types of works. Sarvopahrunto jivo vasanabhi swakarmabhi anadya vidya vasagas tishtastvabhinivesataha. Then a person gets lodged into abhinivesha, means not leaving the upadhis, body, mind and intellect. So he will get srushtikale punaha. So vasanas, he will take this vasanas, this subtle attachments with him, takes it, makes it as a treasure of him, uses them, goes around in the loop again and again. Srushtikale punah purva vasana masanai sahaha jayate punarapyevam ghati yantram evavasaha. Like a automated yantra, ghati yantram evavasaha, which rotates again and again, he keeps coming back. And yada punya viseshana labhate sangatim satam. By a lot of punya, virtuous actions, he will get association with satsanga. Sangati satam madbhaktanam sushantanam tada madvishayamatihi. Then he gets attached towards madbhaktanam, satsanga, who are devoted to me. Then he will get to know about me, the paratatva of Rama. Me here is Paramatma. Matkadhasravane sraddha durlabha jayate tatah tatah swarupa vijnana manayasena jayate. So my kadhasravana, by కదా అనాయాసేన జాయతే డూయింగ్ ద కథాశ్రవణ తదాచార్య ప్రసాదేన వాక్యార్థాత్ జ్ఞానతక్షణాత్ దేహేంద్రియ మనఃప్రాణాహం కృతిభ్య పృథక్ స్థితం స్వాత్వానుభవతః సత్యం ఆనందమాత్మమద్వయం జ్ఞాత్వా సద్యో భవేన్ముక్త్వా సత్యమేవ మయోదితం ఏవం మయోదితం సమ్యగాలోచయతి యోనిశం తస్య సంసార దుఃఖాని న స్పృశంతి కదాచన. So again a step by step process, satsanga, acharya, vakyopodesha, shastropodesha, then doing that understanding of that, realizing the swananda, atmananda, parananda, mayoditam samyag alochade yonisam, so understanding my words and internalizing all those things, and you will not be touched by samsara dukkhan nasprusanti kadachana. त्वमप्येतन्मया प्रोक्तम् आलोचय विशुद्धधि न स्पृश्यसे दुःखजालै कर्मबन्धाद् विमोक्ष्यसे. So whatever now I have said to you, you also think about it. You will be released from all the karma bandhas, the attachment of actions. Vimokshase purvajanmani te subhrut krutva madbhaktiruttama atastava vimokshaya rupam me darsitam subhe. In your past janmas, you have done a lot of punya, you are a great bhakta of me. So now I came, atastava vimokshaya rupam me darsitam subhe. So now you have seen my rupam. Dhyatva madrupa manisham alochaya mayoditam pravaha patitam karyam kurvatyapi nalipyase. So having kept this my rupa in your mind and thinking about what I said, pravahapatitam karyam, whatever comes to you, those actions you continue to do, kurvatyapi nalipyase. So by doing actions also, you will not be attached, you will not be bound by them. Sri Ramenoditam sarvam srutva tarati vismita dehavibhanajam snokam tyaktva natva radhutamam. Immediately Tara realized with this teaching, Dehabhimanajam sokam tyaktva, the sokam which because of the attachment to the body what she has, that given up that, natva raghuttamam, she bowed down to Raghuttama. Atmanubhava santushta jivan mukta babhuvaha, she has become Atmanubhava, self-realized, and jivan mukta bhavaha, immediately she has been released. Kshanasanga matrena Ramena Paramatmana. By this Kshanasanga means very small time, a small teaching. With this teaching, she has become Anadibandhanam Nirdhoya Mukta Sapi Vikalmasha Sugrivopapi Tatrutsva Ramavaktrat Samiritam. By this teaching, heard Sugriva also, he also got benefited. Javahajñāyam akhilam swastasitto bhavattada tata Sugrivamahedam Ramo Puna or Ramo Vanarapungavam. So Rama then said to Sugriva that, yeah, okay, you go and do all the final rites to Vali, which need to happen. Then go get yourself coronated as the king. Keep Angada as your prince next in the line. Then go ahead and after the Varsha Kala, you can help me until the Varsha Kala, you can enjoy. So then Rama also looked at one Anujñātasya Ramayana Sugrivena Dhanyam Pujito Lakshmasta Gascha Raghavam Srigham Pranitapyopas Pravarshana Girirurdhvam. So he has got the Pravarshana Girirurdhvam Sikharam Bhurivistavam Tatraikam Gahparam Društva Spatikam Deeptimachubham Varshavata Tapasaham Phalamoola Samipagam Vasaya Rochayamasa Tatra Ramah Salakshmanaha Divya Moola Phalapashpa Samyute Muktikopamala Majalauha Palvale Chitra Varna Mroga Pakshi Shobhite Parvate Raghukulottamo Vasat. So on the Pravarshana Giri, Rama said, I will not come into your Nagara. So Lakshmana will come. So you go and perform all these things. I will find a place for me to stay for the Varsha Kala for these 4 months. That is the Dakshinayana Punya Kala from Guru Purnima to Chaturmasya. Those Chaturmasya he has lived on the Praharshana Giri. With this, the third sarga is of the Kishkindha Kanda. We come to the closure of that place. Sri Rama Rama Rama. So, such Adhyatma Ramayana, we have come to covered what we thought of covering the 3 sargas today. May that teaching of Rama and the actions of Rama be understood by one and all, and make that benefit of Atma Avalokana, Atma Jnana, and Jivan Mukti. Swasti.